Hi, welcome to Fisher Price and our Smart Learning Home. Today's kids are increasingly growing up in smart homes, and so we wanted to give them a great play set to indicate that. Now, our smart home is going to have all of the features that Mommy and Daddy's smart home is going to have, but it's going to have something extra. It's going to have the smart stages that you see right here. Now, what this means is that the toy's actually going to be able to grow and develop as your child grows and develops and needs more challenging, fun play. Like, for instance, on level 1, you'll have basic things like colors and shapes. Level 2, you'll be introduced to 1, 2, 3s and ABCs, but also foreign languages. And on number 3, that'll be imaginative play. The house will actually ask the child what they see, what they're doing, and what they're imagining at the time. But then all of this fun wouldn't be possible if they couldn't communicate with the child, so we've included a brand new 4-station language switch, which includes English, Spanish, French, and even Mandarin Chinese. How cool is that? But of course, all the play begins inside with the Smart Hub, just like Mommy and Daddy's smart house. So we hit the red button, for instance. You can turn on lights and sounds, control the songs.
Music on.
Or maybe you want to get the weather forecast.
I'm checking the forecast.
Let's see.
Cloudy, with a chance of rainbows.
Cloudy with rainbows, not too bad, but with that cloudiness, maybe we won't turn up the temperature here on the thermostat, activating the lights and sounds as you can see.
The temperature is just right.
You can also play with the hands on the clock to learn numbers and times. You can turn the big chunky switch on the light switch, which we know babies love.
On.
On.
Off.
Off. Great activities, batting balls, jumping frogs, high piece count. Boy, with all of those activities, we better eat something, otherwise we're gonna lose energy. So we're gonna move over here to our smart kitchen. We can do things like, I don't know, take one of the food blocks, sort it through the door of the smart refrigerator, which opens wide, really great for little hands to be able to get into. It has a huge piece count in this play set. Plates, pots, pans, ladles. You can cook it on the imaginary cook surface, wash your dishes in the sink, put them up to dry. But a lot of the play happens outside of the house as well, where we're gonna see some of the things that we're seeing in our modern homes. Like, for instance, we have a recycling bin where we can also use shape sorting blocks. We gotta make sure we throw the right trash away in the right bin. We have a pretend rain spout with 4 colorful balls that come with the play set. We have the crawl through door.
Door open.
Easy to
Door
use, as you can
closed.
see. Of course, your friends can ring the doorbell to let you know
Who's
that
at
they're
the
here.
door?
1, 2, 3, light up, front porch light. You can open up the mailbox.
Special delivery.
I hope my friends wrote me. They did. I love it when they do that. But of course, as we can see here, up here at the solar panel, it's getting late, so we need to plug in our electric car. Isn't that awesome? Because every kid needs an electric car. And what's really cool is that through the IR sensor here on the smart home, you'll actually be able to interact with our 3-in-1 smart car, which also features smart stages. But as the car actually drives up to the house will recognize it and greet the child by turning on music, lighting up the front porch.
I'm glad you're home. I'll turn the lights on.
And telling the child that the house is glad that they're home. Just like real smart homes. So super exciting, the Smart Home Learning Center, just like Mommy and Daddy's smart home.